Many Samsung Galaxy users on AT&T have reported that the 5G Plus icon doesn't always appear even when connected to AT&T's ultra-fast ME-Wave 5G network. This isn't necessarily a connection problem, but rather an indication issue. Your phone might still be accessing those high speeds even if the icon isn't displayed correctly. This video will show you how to troubleshoot this. AT&T's 5G Plus network uses ME-Wave technology, which offers incredibly fast speeds but has a shorter range compared to traditional 5G. Samsung Galaxy phones connect using Qualcomm Snapdragon or Exynos modems. The 5G Plus icon appears only when the device detects and connects to those ME-Wave bands. Sometimes the phone's software doesn't recognize AT&T's specific ME-Wave configurations, or the signal strength is too weak for reliable icon display, leading to the compatibility issue. Millimeter wave or mmWave wave operates on high-frequency bands like 39 GHz, providing speeds up to 10 Gbps in ideal conditions. However, its short wavelengths mean it has limited range and struggles with obstacles like buildings. Samsung Galaxy devices use Qualcomm Snapdragon or Exynos modems to connect to 5G networks. These modems detect and connect to specific frequency bands, including mmWave. The 5G Plus icon displays only when the phone successfully detects and connects to mmWave bands. If the software doesn't recognize AT&T's specific configurations or the signal is weak, the icon may not appear even if connected. Compatibility issues arise when the phone's software fails to recognize AT&T's specific mmWave band settings, or when the signal strength falls below the threshold needed for the icon to display reliably. The first and easiest solution is to ensure your Samsung Galaxy device has the latest software updates. Samsung has released updates like One UI 6.1 and 7.0 that improve 5G band detection for models like the Galaxy S23 and S24 series. These updates have fixed 5G Plus icon display issues for over 95% of users by improving modem firmware and band recognition. To check for updates, go to Settings, scroll down to Software Update, then select Download and Install. This will check for and install any available updates automatically. Many 5G Plus icon issues were resolved with these updates, so this simple step often fixes the problem. If software updates don't resolve the 5G Plus icon display issue on your Samsung Galaxy device, the next troubleshooting step is to reset your network settings. This process clears Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and cellular settings, which can fix misconfigurations causing the icon problem. To reset network settings, open your device's Settings app, then select General Management from the options. From there, choose Reset, then select Reset Network Settings to complete the process. The third troubleshooting step for the AT&T 5G Plus icon issue on Samsung Galaxy devices is to manually select the network mode. This forces your device to rescan for available networks, including 5G Plus bands. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down the notification shade and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections. This section contains all your connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networks. Inside Connections, tap on Mobile Networks. This will show options for your cellular connection settings. Then tap on Network Mode. Here you'll see different options for network types. The issue often occurs because the modem firmware doesn't properly detect AT&T's specific 5G Plus bands when set to auto mode. Try selecting a specific network mode, such as 5G LTE 3G Auto Connect, instead of leaving it on auto. This forces the modem to rescan for all available bands, including the mmWave frequencies used by AT&T 5G Plus. After a moment, switch back to the auto mode. This process can help resolve the indicator bug by refreshing the modem's band detection algorithms. This troubleshooting step works because it resets the modem's band detection, helping it properly recognize AT&T's 5G Plus mmWave signals and display the correct icon in the status bar. For advanced troubleshooting of 5G Plus connectivity issues, Samsung's Members app provides powerful diagnostic tools that can help identify connection problems. First, open the Samsung Members app on your Galaxy device. This app contains Samsung's official support tools and diagnostics. Once in the app, navigate to the Support section and look for the Diagnostics option. This section contains various tests for your device's hardware and software. Within diagnostics, select Connectivity Labs to run specific network tests. This will check your 5G connectivity and help determine if your device is actually connecting to AT&T's 5G Plus network, even if the icon isn't displaying. Additionally, the diagnostics section allows you to send error reports with system log data to Samsung. This helps Samsung engineers analyze any connectivity issues and develop fixes for future updates. If none of the troubleshooting steps you've tried so far have resolved the 5G Plus icon issue on your Samsung Galaxy device, it's time to contact AT&T support for assistance. There might be a network-specific issue in your area, such as local tower configurations that aren't properly communicating with your device, or a problem with your account provisioning that prevents the correct 5G Plus settings from being applied. AT&T support technicians can perform comprehensive checks, including examining your SIM card to ensure it's properly provisioned for 5G Plus service, verifying network settings on their systems, and checking tower connectivity in your location to confirm everything is configured correctly on their end. Their expertise can identify issues that device-side troubleshooting can't address, ensuring you get the full benefit of AT&T's 5G Plus network on your Samsung Galaxy device. Looking ahead, the future of 5G Plus compatibility is promising. AT&T and Samsung are actively collaborating through joint testing programs and standardized certifications to minimize indicator issues in new devices. Newer Samsung Galaxy models, like the upcoming S26 series, are less likely to experience the 5G Plus icon problem thanks to enhanced firmware algorithms and rigorous pre-release compatibility testing with AT&T's network configurations. Future Samsung devices may incorporate specialized hardware-level mmWave detectors, ensuring accurate icon display even in challenging signal conditions. This dedicated technology will provide foolproof recognition of AT&T's high-frequency bands. As 5G technology evolves, AI-powered diagnostics in apps like Samsung SmartThings will automatically detect and fix compatibility issues. Hybrid networks combining mmWave and sub-6 GHz will offer better coverage, reducing the likelihood of indicator problems altogether. With ongoing software updates and industry collaboration, users can look forward to a seamless 5G Plus experience as these technologies mature towards 6G in the coming years.